AI Explained X, let's dive in. We're way past the what if. This is the real deal. This is AI. Today, let's be real, AI is changing the whole game. It's shaking up how we work. And, yeah, it's even changing how we think. The thing is, most explanations out there are one of two things: way too complicated for the rest of us, or so general that they're basically useless. And that's exactly why we're here. This is AI Explained X. We take on complex AI, tech, and science and serve it up one way, with simple, clear, and killer visuals. We tackle the tough stuff, from neural nets and deepfakes to quantum computing and AI ethics. Yes, this voice is AI. The visuals, AI generated too. But every script is researched, reviewed, and made to help you understand. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. If you're curious about the future, hit subscribe and let's explore it together.